What's going on, guys? Another cannabis video here. So cannabis was ripping today, right? So CGC, Canopy Growth Corp, closed at $7.90. We were up 12% on the day and 81 cents. So not a bad day. Is it time for cannabis stocks to kind of make a little bit of a revival, right? It feels like for a long time, if I kind of just look at the weekly time frame here, feels like cannabis, has been in the trash for a long time. So, CGC coming off highs here, going back to February, literally over a year ago, and going all the way back to 2021, right? So if we kind of look here, $56.50, obviously, we had a lot of things moving in that 2020, 2021 time. This kind of put off this big blow off top here from 56, traded all the way down, literally has not seen an uptick since, over a year. So, are we getting a little bit more bullish on cannabis? Is there some sort of catalyst that's coming? Is there a catalyst that's in the works currently? A lot is to be determined. But what I want to look at here, just from a technical view, because I don't want to get too much into the news or, what type of catalyst we could be looking at here. Definitely, not a bad day. First close over the 50-day moving average. So I just made a video on Tilray. Same kind of setup, right? Over the 50-day moving average, bulls are going to be in control and they are doing good things. So we definitely do not want to be holding long over the 50-day moving average. You can see here the last time that we closed over the 50-day moving average, going back to November. We close over the 50-day moving average. You tell yourself you're going to get long. We literally, take out the day's highs, come back, and then 3 days later, close below the day's lows. Now, here's a point that I want to tell a lot of people who swing trade and a lot of people who invest in stocks. A lot of people see this here, close over the 50-day moving average. They get long somewhere in the vicinity of right around $15. The first day that we close under the 50-day moving average is around $13.50. So it's about a $1.50 move down. Let's say you bought 1,000 shares. You would have lost $1.50 on those 1,000 shares, right? However, let's say you're stubborn, because most of retail traders are very, very stubborn, and you guys are stuck in your ways wanting to believe that the stocks are going to go higher. Well, this stock just went from a close under the 50-day moving average all the way from $13.50 all the way to lows of $5. That's an insane move, right? This move does not need to happen. You do not need to consistently sit here and hold through this, because even for all of you just buy the dip people, you could have continuously been buying this dip. But guess what? Someone like me who understands technical analysis would come in here, and even if you got your average down to around $7, guess what? Here we are at $7.90. I have no outstanding debt. My capital has been free, meaning that I haven't had to hold this, for 3-4 months. I've been able to make other trades. Now that we are here closing over the 50-day moving average again, if we can take out today's highs of $8.08, we've got room to run back to 9, and then anything over 9.50 can take us back to 10.93. Those are the levels that you're going to want to play. And guess where our stop is this time, guys? Guess where our stop loss is going to be? Back below the 50-day moving average. I don't care if we only get above the 50-day for 1 day and come back down and close below. I'll just stop out. Why, you ask? Because look at the last time we closed under the 50-day moving average. Now, do you want to be stuck in another 4-month hold below the 50-day moving average? Because I sure as hell do not. So as long as we are trading over the 50-day moving average over 739, I will continue to hold this play long. Have confidence holding your play. It's going to be a little choppy. It's not going to be a big fast mover. You're not going to get some massive short squeeze, but just understand your levels here. You can take some profits at 9, you can take some profits at 11, and obviously the big granddaddy of them all before we really break the whole downtrend is going to be the 200-day moving average, and that price is going to be $13.52 on a daily close. Guys, I hope this helps. If you want more information and help on how to trade options, maybe you guys are looking for more advice on how to trade or swing trade even stocks, definitely join the Discord, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys all on the next video.